Hey everyone, in this video we will see arithmetic operations in Python programming. So this is the fourth video in Python programming. So in previous videos I have shown you what is meant by Python and how to install that one, and then what are the different data types. That is, in particular we have discussed about the numbers. Then in the last video we have discussed about the strings. So what are all the different functions which are performed on strings and how to manipulate the strings. So all those videos I have already uploaded, so if you have not seen those videos, then you can see. And now coming to our present topic, that is arithmetic operations in Python programming. So as the name suggests, arithmetic operations are the operations which are used for adding, subtraction and multiplication. So these are the arithmetic operations generally which are available. So we will see addition first, then we will go for subtraction, then multiplication, followed by division, and how to find the power in case of Python programming. So these are all the contents which we are going to discuss in today's session. So I will show you practically how to do these things in the Python programming shell, that is here. So I have opened the Python 3.8.3 shell. So here, as you can see, this is the latest version of Python which is available. So it is just released 45 days ago. Okay, so first I will start with addition. So addition, we know in mathematics generally what is meant by addition. So it is nothing but adding of two numbers. So we're just adding two numbers and giving the result. So how I can do in this Python is, so I will take let us say I have two variables. So I will assign a equal to 2, then b is equal to 2. Okay, so there is no need to define like int a, int b in case of Python. So if you have seen my previous videos, I have told you so how I can use the integers, floating point values and all other things I have already explained. So if you have not seen those videos, please check the playlist, see those videos, then come for this one, so it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so I assume that you have seen those videos, and I will start explaining the arithmetic operation now. So I have defined two variables, that is a and b, whose values are equal to 2 and 2. Okay, so I will define a new variable c, which will be equal to the addition of a and b. So a plus b. So that's all. This is the addition operation. So if I want to see this result, that is what is stored in c, you can just type c, then it will show you 4. Otherwise you can also do the same thing in this way also. So print in bracket, you have to write c, then it will show you the result as 4. So this, the second one is the more formal way of printing the answer. So you can print it like this also, but it will be not a format of printing. So if you just write in this way, that is print c, then it will be a good practice for coding. Okay, so it is easily understood by the user, the one who is referring to your code also. So like this you can add two numbers. So I can also have a variable d, which will be equal to addition of c, that is 4, and I will add with a now. So what it will be, I will just print d now. So let me just print d. So this will be addition of 4 and 2, that is 6. So like this we can add. So not only integers, we can add floating points, floating point values as well. So sum is the next variable, so which will add up d, that is 6 and 1.1. so like directly we can take directly as well, so without referring also. So if I print sum here, so it will show you directly the sum. So as you can see, 7.1 is the sum. So like this there is no need to define. So as you can see here, I have not defined anything, I have taken 1.1 directly. So like this also you can add, or else you can define it like this, a equal to 2, b equal to 1.1, then you can add. So whichever way you feel comfortable, then you can do. So this is all about addition. So you can perform what type of addition here. Then if I go to the subtraction, same follows for that one as well. So let me just define again a equal to 4, and then b equal to 2, then I will print C equal to A minus B. So I will be having let me just show you how I can have the value C. So C will be 2. Like this, you just have to write the expression for that one, then it will just define define A and define B, then write the expression what you want to do. I want to perform the subtraction, so I will write C equal to A minus B. So then it will give the result in the variable C, and if you print that C, you will be getting the result. So this is how you can do the subtraction in case of Python. Then coming to the multiplication, so I will just define again two variables, A equal to 2, B equal to 2, then C will be equal to A, multiplication sign is star here, so A star B, and then I will print the result. So let me just print C, then I will be getting 4, and this is how multiplication is done. So you can also multiply the floating point values as well. So y is equal to C star 2 point, let me just try 2.1, then if I print y, then it will show me the multiplication of that is 4 and 2.1, so it will be obviously 8.4. So like this, you can take the number directly, or you can take it with the help through the variable and then assign. So if you take through the variable, it will be systematic, so anyone can understand the program. So if you take like this, it will be somewhat understood by the programmer itself. So if you want to write a code which is user friendly, then you have to write like defining the variables, then you should put a comment there. Otherwise, if you writing for yourself, or you don't want to reveal your code, then you can write like this, so it will be somewhat confusing for the reader, so if they is reading for first time at least. Okay, so that's about multiplication, and division is also same. So I will take A equal to 4, then B equal to 2. Okay, sorry for that one. So I will assign F is equal to A by B, so A backslash B, then I will print F, I will just print F here, so it is showing 2.0, that is 2.0, so 4 by 2 is 2.0. so that's how you can do the multiplication in case of Python. Then coming to the last one, that is how to find the power in case of Python. So power, you know that the raised value 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 1 will be 2, and if you take example for 2 to the power 2, it will be 4. So 2 that is power means 2 multiplied by the number of power. So if it is 2 to the power 2, then we will be multiplying, so it is something like this. Let me just show you. So alright, so I will not show there itself. So power, you know, power is 2 to the power 2 means 2 will be multiplied twice, so it will be 4. So like this, how to find power in case of this one. So let me take a variable h, which is equal to, so I have assigned b equal to 2, right? So b, you just have to write double star b to the power 2. Then if I print b here, h, sorry, then I will be getting 4. So as you can see here, b is assigned with value 2, and then the double star indicates power here. So if I put single star, then it will be multiplication, and if I go for the double star, then it becomes power in case of Python. So b double star 2 means b to the power 2. So b is having a value equal to 2, and 2 to the power 2 will be equal to 4. So like this you can do for anything. Let me just take j is equal to, I will take h and double star 2, I mean 4 to the power 2. So I will be getting let me just print there. So it is 16, 4 square will be 16. Okay, so like this you can find out the power in case of Python programming. So these are all the concepts which are regarding addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and power. So I hope you like this video, and please guys, if you are new to the channel, hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more updates, because we will be updating the continuous videos on Python programming. And if you found the content useful, then please share with your friends. Thank you, thanks for watching.